Hey there, fellow gardeners! Are you short on space but still want to grow delicious tomatoes? Container gardening is the perfect solution. In this video, we'll show you how to grow tomatoes in containers, step by step. Firstly, let's choose the right container. A larger container will be ideal, as tomato plants can grow quite big. Plus, it needs drainage holes so that excess water can escape. Next, let's prepare the soil. We recommend a mix of potting soil and compost for optimal plant growth. Add some slow-release fertilizer for an extra boost, and mix everything together thoroughly. 3 to 4 minutes video. Now it's time to plant your seedlings. Arrange them evenly in the container and gently pat down the soil around them. Water your plants gently but thoroughly until any water pools on top of the soil. You may need to add more soil afterwards to ensure good drainage. Position your container in an area that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight every day, perfect spot. Keep a close eye on your plants and adjust their position if they're not getting enough sunshine. And there you have it. You're now ready to start growing delicious tomatoes in containers. Remember, with proper care and attention, you'll be enjoying fresh tomatoes from your garden in no time. Thanks for joining us today on our gardening journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on gardening and cultivation. Happy growing!